don't even have a name for people that watch me.
Neither.
Yeah, I say this little fam.
I'm like,
little family.
I'm like the Clough clan, but then I'm like, no. Gross.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am joined by Jazz, and that is because we are filming a very special video today. Something that we've kind of both wanted to film for a long ass time, and that is the £30 outfit challenge. So in today's video we're going to be heading to Westfield. Jazz gets a store, I get a store, and we have to pick each other an outfit under £30, or it can be £30. So if you want to see what I picked for Jazz, head over to her channel at the end of this video. Her link will also be in the description. And if you want to stay to see what she picked for me, stay on this video. So just a little disclaimer, as you can probably tell, my nose is hella bruised.
Fake bitch now.
I'm a fake bitch now. Actually no, I'm a real bitch now. I'm not fake anymore.
True and not true.
But I had nose filler the other day. For those of you that haven't seen my video, I'll leave it in the eye up here if you haven't actually checked that out yet. But I'm still going through like the swelling and bruising stage. If I turn my head to the side, you can probably see the swelling a little bit there. But yeah, I'm so happy with my new nose. I'm just going through the recovery stages. I'll see you at Westfield, huns.
So it's been a while, but now I'm on my way to Stradivarius and I'm going to go and get Haz's outfit. I am literally so like unprepared. I don't know what I'm going to get. I don't know what I'm going to find. Haz has given me her sizes, which is perfect. Obviously, kind of need them. It's literally right in front of me. I'm scared and I don't know why, because I shouldn't be scared. So I'm literally about to walk in. Looks so nice. So if I don't find anything for you, Haz, I'll probably end up finding something for myself. Oh my god, the sale's like literally so cheap. What the heck? So I think I'm actually gonna get some of these trousers, because I don't know about Haz, but I personally really like these. My friend Abby got a pair that I like this, but from Topshop, and they were so much more expensive, whereas these are literally £9.99, so that's like a third of my budget. Perfect. I'm feeling like a jumper or like a top to go with this. Literally everything seems to be £9.99. It's too pink. Ooh, £5.99. Thinking this, you can maybe tuck into it. She doesn't really wear knit. With the pink, let's see what other ones there is. Look how cool all this luminous stuff is. Obviously I can't get her anything luminous because pink. I picked up this jumper. This isn't her style, I don't think. I really don't know. I'm so bad at picking outfits for other people. These are really cool, but they're like £49. But I'm thinking these, because if she rolls these up, then maybe, I don't know. What are these? They're a 37 as well. There's literally no shoes that are within budget. Oh, these are within budget. They're so ugly. No. So I think I'm gonna stick with this outfit. I think I'm just gonna have to get a size shoe that's too small, because there's literally no other shoes. So it has. Oh, so stressful. I think I want to get these ones, boys and girls. I really want to get Haz this because she is fabulous. Supreme, yeah. So I've just bought all of Haz's stuff. It came to like £31.97 or something. So only £2 over budget. Yeah.
So guys, we're now back home. We've come back from Westfield. It's now pretty late, and as you can see, Jazz went to Stradivarius, and she also has just told me that she went over budget, but only by £2.
£2.
Oh my god.
We spent all afternoon learning that. With the girlies, as Harriet said, we went to Stradivarius. To be fair, Stradivarius was quite cheap. One thing I struggled with was the shoes. Every single pair of shoes was over budget.
But they do, oh my god, they do the nicest boots. Were the boots on sale?
Some, because as soon as I walked in, there was like loads of trousers, so I was like, perfect. I don't think you've got anything like this, and I don't think it's particularly your style.
That's always a bad sign.
But my friend has some like this, and they're really cool, and they look really fun and fresh.
Corduroy.
£9.99.
You're actually
£9.99, ladies and gents.
Oh my god, and I'm gonna roll at the bottom.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I actually love these.
Yeah. So then I was like, right, to match with that, I'm thinking like some knitwear or like a cute like crop top kind of thing. And then I took a peep over at the knitwear. There was loads for £9.99. Then come across to this number.
Is it a cardigan?
No, it's a jumper. £5.99.
You're actually kidding me.
I did get it in a large. I took it in. You could have it off one shoulder with a cute little bralette showing.
This smells like the store. You know how they have that
It
scent?
does.
Yeah. I quite like this though. I love it.
So I thought going with the larger size was good.
This is definitely not my style, but like I actually really like it though.
Yeah, so
like
that together was like £17. So I was like, great, I've got £13 to spend on the shoes.
Oh yeah, because that's what I struggled with. So I bought the top and shoes first, and then I struggled with the bottom.
£13 to buy some shoes, but then I was looking around everywhere and there was no shoes for like £13. Cheapest shoes I found was £15, and I don't even know how big the right size.
Oh, is that where you went over budget?
Now as well, I'm no fashion guru. I just wear what I want when I want. So I got these. I just thought these would look cool. Like, I don't think I'd be able to pull it off, but I feel like somebody else would and you would.
I've literally seen,
and I think these are so cool,
so many times, and I've wanted them.
It's the heel.
Yeah, it is the heel, but I like this bit at the bottom as well.
These even smell like the shop.
What do they do? Why does the shoes smell like it though? We're such weirdos.
Getting the receipt out, I spent £31.97.
Oh, so it's not even that bad.
Yeah, I literally went over by £1.97.
That's pretty good.
And as well, 5p was on a... Do they not charge 5p for the bags in London?
Yeah, they do. I got charged in Topshop. But we don't contribute to plastic waste, kids. I will now be using these for my shopping bag. I like your choices though. I'm obsessed with these. Go try these on and I will show you in a sec. That stinks.
Oh,
why did you fart, Jazz?
Sorry, I've got a bit gassy recently. You actually rock it though.
I don't. But I don't like how this fits. Yeah. It looks a bit weird. So it's typical has and tucks it up well.
I imagined it baggier.
Yeah. I like the sleeves though because I can roll them up. I like that. It's my favourite.
Go on. Yeah, that's it. That'll do. She can't do it.
These are the booties. You can't really... Well, you can't really see, but I've rolled up the corduroy trousers. I actually really like this outfit, Jazz. I'm quite proud of you.
Like, it's not a you outfit, but it still, also is. Yeah. Because it's aspects that you would put together but
like, I'd wear this, and I'd wear the boots. I just would never put them together.
Yeah, but then that's what someone else would wear.
I feel like this is a very typical girly outfit.
Yeah.
But I'm not very girly, but I still actually really like it. Yeah. What you're wearing now is what I'd wear.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah.
Okay guys, so that is now the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up and hit subscribe button down below. As I said, all of Jazz's links will be in the description. And also, if you want to see what I picked out for Jazz to wear, then at the end of this video, there will be a link to that video and also in the description. But yeah, that is it for now guys. I will see you in the next video.
She tired of money, need a big boy. Pull a 20 years playing like a little toy. Now it's everybody flocking, need a decoy. Shorty mixing up the vodka with the liquor.